Welcome back to class, students. Hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at home. Before starting the class, once again I want to remind you about SMS. What is SMS? SMS is not our message. SMS is S is for social distance, M is for mask and S is for so. So I hope everyone are following this SMS. So now let us move ahead to our class. So in the previous class we have done our exercise 3.1 till second bit. I hope you have done your homeworks also. Now I will start in this session, we will start our exercise 3.1 third bit and we will try to complete our next two concepts. So before starting ahead, I request everyone to please open your textbooks, classwork and pencil. In textbook, please open page number 133. This third bit we will write in our term book itself. See, I have written two questions for you. So they have given a missing digits are here, blanks they have given, column boxes are there, these boxes we are going to fill. Now the operation is plus, so when you add this two number you should get the same answer. But these boxes are missing. Now we will try to fill these boxes. Okay. Now if you see, this is 4 and the result answer, the sum is also 4. So what number you will add to 4 to get 4? What number you will add to 4 to get 4? Yes, it is 0. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number, right? So what you will add here? You will write 0. 4 plus 0 is 0. Now let us move to the tens please. Here is 6, answer is 9. What number you will add to 6 to make it 9? Very good. If you add 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this box you will write the number and the digit is 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Now let us move to the next one. Here is 6, here is 7. What do you add to 6 to get 7, to make it as 7? What number you will add to 6 to make as 7? Yes, you will add 1. 6 plus 1 you will get as 7. So we will write that 1 here. Now to the next one. Here the answer is 7. We have 5. What number you will add to 5 to become as 7? What number you will add to 5 to become 7? Very good. It is 2. 5 plus 2, 7. We got answer 7. Now if you see there are two digits, right? 1, 7. So what number you will add to 8 to become as 17? What number you will add to 8 to become 17? See, they did not mention. No, let us remove it for you clear. So now what number you will add to 8 to become 17? It is 9. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 1 you will get as 17. So number is 9. Now we have filled our empty boxes. What is? See, 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. We have filled our box. Now let us move to the next one. D1. So here also they have given us empty boxes. Now we will try to fill. Now here the answer is 3. But addends are 7. The second addend is not there. What number you will add to 7? It should become 3. See, this is not subtraction. If it is subtraction, we might have written here 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. But as this is addition, if you think, so it should be 3 means there might be a 13. Number is a 13, right? So 7, if you want 13, what number you will add to 7 to become as 13? You will add 6. Yes? 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Or 7 plus 6 is 13. So if you write here 6, 7 plus 6, 13. So where the 1 should go? Very good. It should on the tens place it will be like a carry. Right? Now 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 is here and 3 is we have written down. We got the 13. Now here is 2. Answer is the 8. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we got 3. Okay. What number you will add to 3 to become as 8? Now what number you should add here? You should add 5. See, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. We got 8. This is addition, right? Next. Here 2, whereas here is 0. So now what number you will add here to become 0? If you add 0 also, 2 plus 0 you will get 2. But here is 0, right? So we want 0 means there might be the result 10. Number 10. So if you add 8 to 2, if you add 8 for digit 2, you will get as 10, where the 1 will goes on carry and 0 is in the down. So here if you write 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 will be carry and 0 is here, 10. Now see here, 2 plus 1, 3. But answer is 6. So 3 plus what number you will add to 3 to become 6? You will add 3. So if you write here 3, what you will get? See, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. You got 6. Now here 4, but whereas here is 5. So what number you will add to 4 to become 5? Very good, it is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, see again here is 0, but whereas here is 0. 8, 0. So what number you should add to 0 to become 8? Here the just starting one here we have written 4 plus 0 as 4. Okay. But in this case he gave 8 plus 0. What number you will add to 0 to get 8? You will add 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. So what number you should add here? 8. If you want the result to be the same, if you add 0 to the same number, you will get the same value. 8 plus 0, 8. Now here is 2. So if you write 2, you will get the 2, as there is no any other digit on the top. If you write here 2, you will get the answer as 2. So what are the digits? 8, 4, 5, 2, 1, 8, 6. Please write down the carries so that there will be no confusion. Right? So I hope you have clear how to do. If there is if the sum value is somewhat greater than, then please try the next one. See, as we got 3, but whereas here 7, we have added 6 to get us 13. So might be there will be some changes. You please recheck and try to solve the next, that is B and C. So with this we have done our exercise 3.1, third bit. Let us move to our next concept, that is subtraction of large numbers. Subtraction of large numbers. Subtraction of large numbers. Yes. Now in the previous session we have seen what is addition of large numbers. Addition is nothing but the same, where they'll give the numbers and we'll add up the value. We have followed one method, that is first writing on the place values, then writing the numbers, then doing the addition. The same comes for the subtraction. See here they have given some steps for us. Let us read it. The method of subtraction remains the same whether the number to be subtracted are small or large. Either the numbers are small or large, the method of subtraction is the same. Let us recall the steps involved in subtraction. Step 1. Write the number in the place value chart one below the other. So the first step is to write place value chart. The greater number will come above the smaller number. Supposingly it is 7, 5. Subtract 5 from 7. So what you write? First you will write 7, then you will write 5. That is 2. If you see the step and read the step, you will understand. See, write the number in place value chart, one below the other. The greater number will come above the smaller number. Subtraction is done column wise from left to right. So always start subtracting from the lowest place and move to the highest place. As same as the addition, where we will start from the lowest and move to the highest. Same in subtraction, we will go according to column wise from ones to the highest place. Okay. Next, third one. Regroup if the digit of minuend at the place is smaller than the digit of the subtrahend. Now there are three different words. See, the number from which we are subtracting, that we call it as minuend. Minuend. The number which is getting subtracted, that we call it as subtrahend. Subtrahend. And the answer you call it as difference. Before I have said you the difference is nothing but if you do subtraction, difference is the same word, right? So the first value from which we are subtracting, that is minuend. The number which is getting subtracted, that is subtrahend, and the result we call it as difference. See in the next page, in page number 134, they have given you checking subtraction. Now to know the answer 2 is exactly right, we have some verification method. Let us look. After carrying out the subtraction operation, we should always check for the correctness of our answer. Whether the answer we got is the right or wrong, to check it we will follow one method. To do that, add the difference, obtain to the subtrahend the smaller number. If we get the minuend, the correct number, then the answer is correct. Otherwise, our answer is incorrect and we need to do the subtraction again. So what they are saying? To know the answer is the same. So what you will do? You will add difference plus subtrahend. What you will do? Difference. What is the value of difference? 2. You will add with subtrahend. The value of subtrahend is here 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. We got the same 7 which is minuend. Then the answer is correct. Then our answer is the correct. So we can write as a formula also. Difference plus subtrahend is equals to minuend. This formula we will use to check the answer, whether the answer we got is the correct or wrong. Supposing the answer is not right, then we have done some mistake in our problem. When we are solving it, we have done a mistake. If we get the same answer, minuend, see the minuend 7, we got the same. So what problem we have done solved, it is right. We got the answer as correct. Okay. So what we call it as the number, that is the larger number you call as minuend. The smaller number which is getting subtracted from the larger number is your subtrahend, and the result you call it as difference. Okay. And to check, verify whether it is right or wrong, we use a formula that is difference plus subtrahend is minuend. Okay. See in page number 134, they have given you some example number 5 and example 4. Checking, they have given first, they have solved the method and then they have used the formula and they are telling us to check whether the answer is right or wrong. Now let us move to the properties of subtraction, that is in page number 135. We cannot change the order of numbers in subtraction. See, as addition, when we have added 15 plus 9 or 9 plus 15, the answer we got same. We have changed the order, but the result we got the same. But whereas in subtraction we cannot do. You cannot subtract 7 out of 5, right? You cannot change the order. What is the first property? Is we cannot change the order of numbers in subtraction. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. See, before we have done, when we are adding 0, there is no change in the answer. We got the same number. So here also, when you subtract 0 from the number, larger number or smaller number, you will get the same answer. That is the number itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. If I say 5 minus 5 is 0. When the same number is subtracted from the number, larger number, the answer will be the 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, so 5 is subtracted from 5, then we got the answer as 0. Okay. So what are the three properties? We cannot change the order. So whenever you subtract 0, we will get the same answer, and when you subtract the same number from itself, then you get the answer as 0. I hope it is very clear what is minuend, subtrahend, difference, and how to do this subtraction. First writing place value chart, then writing the number, and then doing the subtraction. So let's move to our exercise 3.2. Page number 135. 135. Yes. Exercise 3.2, first unit. Okay. Let us do the first one. This first unit we are going to do in our term book only. So 46,39,541, 15,21,458. All of this. Next we will do B1. 14,42,721. 6,38,120. So first it was writing place values, ones, tens, 100. They have given this 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, right? Okay. Now So 8, we should subtract 8 from 1. Can we subtract 8 from 1? No. So what you will take? You will take borrow. You will borrow from here. Now this will become 3. Now it will become 11. Now 11 minus 8. See, if you subtract 8 from 11, how many numbers you will have? How many digits? See, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many we have? 3. That is our answer. Next, we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So again we will borrow. This is 4. This will be 13. 13 minus 5. It is 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. 4 minus 4. 0. 9 minus 1. 8. 3 minus 2. 1. 6 minus 5. 1. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 1. 3. So if you put comma, that is 31 lakh 18,083. Now let us move to the next one. Again we should write case values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now 0 we are going to subtract from 1. 1 minus 0 we said the number is the same, right? 1. 2 minus 2, when you subtract the same number from itself you will get 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. You cannot subtract 8 from 2. So what you will do, you will carry, you will borrow from here, it will become 3 and this will become 12. Now 8 minus 12, 12 from, if you subtract 8 from 12 you will get 4. 3 minus 3, 0. You cannot subtract 6 from 4. So if you carry, if you take borrow from here, this will become 0. This will become 14. So 6 from 14 you will get as 8. See, whenever you are writing place values, you will get the same in the column. You will get the answer in the correct column. That is 8,04,601. So both the answers we got. So the same model you just try C and D. So what are your homeworks for today? That is in exercise 3.1, that is third bit, B and C. Exercise 3.1, we have third bit, BC, and whereas in exercise 3.2, first bit, B and not B, so C and D. Right? C and D. Whereas in there we have done A and D, here we have done A and B. Right? So in the BC, here is CD. Total 4 problems which you are going to do. These 4 problems are in your term book itself. You can do in your term book. So I hope it is very clear how to do subtraction, what we call for them, that is minuend, what is minuend, what is difference, what is subtrahend, how to do, how to take borrow. When you are doing subtraction, what are the steps? First writing place values, then writing the numbers, then doing your subtraction, that is your difference. Then you will get your result, product, right? Your answer. This is what our subtraction, these are the steps. We have learned properties and we have done exercise 3.2 first bit. Soon we will meet in our next class. I hope you will do your work. Thank you.